The best uses of lemons at home that deserve a medal. Check out what you can use these fruits for. Here are tried and tested lemon tricks. Cut a lemon in half. Use 1/2 to scrub the faucet in your sink. This is where a lot of limescale accumulates. The lemon will easily dissolve it. Just leave the lemon on the faucet for a while, and the results will surely surprise you. The faucet will be clean, and the water will flow without any issues. You don't have to throw away the used lemon. Put it in the dishwasher. The acid in the lemon softens the water and removes limescale. 1 lemon can be used for several dishwasher cycles. It also acts as a rinse aid. Thanks to the lemon, your cutlery and glasses will be clean and shiny. The dishwasher will also be free of unpleasant odors. The essential oils in the lemon act as a natural air freshener. Put lemon slices in the kettle to get rid of a persistent problem. For this trick, you only need a few lemon slices. Slice the lemon and put water in the kettle. When the water starts to boil, add the lemon slices. Boil the water for a while with the kettle open, then close the kettle. The lemon will quickly dissolve limescale and deposits. This is a simple and effective way to descale your kettle. Insert cloves into lemon slices and place them on a shelf for long-lasting peace of mind. Slice any lemon and stick a few cloves into each slice. Place the slices on a plate or saucer and set them on a shelf, table, or nightstand. The combination of lemon and cloves will keep insects away. Mosquitoes will steer clear, making it perfect for summer evenings and nights. Scatter these small packets in cabinets, corners, and behind doors. They have remarkable properties. You can prepare them in seconds, and their effects will last for days. Peel a lemon and prepare some paper tissues. Instead of throwing away the lemon peels, wrap them in the tissues to make small packets. The scent of lemon peels is great at repelling ants, so it's worth placing them around the house. Put half a lemon in a bowl of baking soda and wipe down your stove. All stains will disappear. This simple trick always saves me. When the stove is dirty, all you need is baking soda and lemon. Both ingredients handle dirt exceptionally well. Just place half a lemon on some baking soda in a bowl and use it to clean the stove. Streaks, deposits, and burnt-on stains will quickly disappear from the surface, all without harmful chemicals.